Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Photography Fridays. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ideas on how to take your portrait photography to the next level. So, if you'd like to see it, keep on watching.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over.
A couple people requested that I show how I edit my photos, and I use Lightroom to do that. So I'm just going to show you how I worked on 2 pictures from this shoot. So this is the first one. As you can see, this is straight from the camera, nothing done to it, and I absolutely love it. I really apologize for the quality of this screen recording. I don't have the best software to do it, but this will do for now. This is the photo straight from the camera, and I absolutely love it. I already know that I want to make the purples and the blues in this photo pop very much, so I'm gonna go ahead and first of all enable all the lens corrections and remove any chromatic aberration. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the highlights completely along with the whites, just because I want the clouds in the background to show more. I'm gonna increase the exposure a little bit, maybe around here is fine because I don't want it to be too bright. I really am in love with the dark vibes going on here. I'm going to reduce the shadows by increasing it here, and then I'm going to increase the blacks by reducing this. I think this should be okay. Next, I'm going to add some clarity to this. I'm going to bring that to about 38, something like that, and we're going to go ahead and move over to the colors. And this is my favorite part, guys, because this is where I manipulate everything. I don't really want to work with the tone curve because I don't think I need it right now, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and work with the blue. I am going to bring this down to about 24, should be nice-ish, and then I'm gonna up the purple. Why does it keep doing that? I'm gonna up the purple to about 51 just because I want it to be more pinkish. So the hue, I'm dragging the slider over to the pink side. Next, I'm going to saturation, and I'm going to increase the saturation of the blue to about here. I think that's fine. And I'm going to take the purple down a little bit more. That's too much. 38 should be fine. And I'm going to go ahead and head over to my details section, increase the sharpness as well as the luminance to make it look more smooth. Guys, look at this picture. This is it before I worked on any edits. Is this it before? Let me reset it completely. This is how it looked before I made any changes to the picture. Like, look at that, completely desaturated, and like nah, it wasn't it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the chromatic aberration and make the necessary lens corrections. I feel like this is my favorite. I don't know which one I don't know what my favorite picture in this shoot is. I'm gonna go ahead and increase the highlights just because I want to keep this dreamy look and concept going. I'm decreasing the shadows rather, because that's essentially what it's doing. I'm going to increase the whites to about here, and the blacks as well. I'm not really going to touch the exposure because I think I have enough of that. Now I'm going to go into my tone curves, and I'm going to work with the highlights a little bit more by decreasing this part. In the future I may make a video about the tone curve so that you might, like, anyone who doesn't understand can understand it better. I'm going to increase this part, and right here where there's a lot going on, I'm going to make a point and bring that down to about here. And here too. I just really like how that looks. I think this should be fine. I don't want to mess anything up. Right here should be fine. And next I'm going to go into my HSL color, and we're targeting the green. I want it to be like a dark deep green, so I'm going to increase the hue or take it to the bluish side. And for the reds, I'm going to make it pop a little bit more because I'm looking at her skin and her lips and I really like how it's looking. I'm going to remove the yellow. I'm making the greens darker as well, and I am going to take out the aqua. I'm increasing the blue because you're going to see how it's going to affect her shirt, and I think right here should be fine. As for the green, I'm reducing the luminance as well just to make it like dark and like moody kind of. So that is pretty much it for the colors. For the split toning, I already wrote down the values I wanted, so 54 for the highlights, and the saturation of that is about 27. I picked similar colors for the highlights and the shadows just because that's the vibe I was going for, and I'm going to increase this saturation. Okay, I think I'm going to reduce the temperature a little bit more. About here should be fine. Ooh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Hi. Hi guys, my cousin is here. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Are you doing good? I'm gonna go ahead and increase the sharpness. Hi. And I'm touching the luminance as well just to keep up with the dreamy theme going on. And that's pretty much it for this picture, guys. Stay tuned till the end of this video so that you can see how all the pictures of this shoot turned out.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button so that I can know that you appreciate my content. See you guys later. Bye.
Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You